Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to do gold French tip nails without foil at home. This is super easy, so if you want to see how to do this look, then keep on watching. Step 1. File your nails into your favorite nail shape, and always try to file your nails in just one direction instead of going back and forth. Next, clean your nails with nail polish remover even if you don't have any nail polish on. It just helps with the application and with the end results. Now apply your favorite nude nail polish. I'm using this OPI one. You can see the name and number of nail polish on screen. So this is our first coat. Once we are done with this, we are going to let it dry. Once the first coat is dry, now we are going to apply the second coat. You don't have to apply nail polish twice, but I think two thin coats are easier to dry than one thick coat. So once the second coat is dry, since I have used just regular nail polish, I'm going to use matte gel top coat to get that trendy matte look. In fact, let me share my secret with you guys. Instead of buying all new matte nail polishes, I just bought myself matte top coat. I'm just using that over my old nail polishes and they all look great. I love this top coat. You can see how the nail polish went from shiny to matte once it's dry. To get gold French tips without foil, we are going to use a gold nail polish. If you have kids at home, then I'm sure you must have some sort of art brushes also. If not, it's no big deal. You can just use your nail polish brush. With either brush, start painting your nail tips. Small strokes, doing right, left, and then center. You can do classic French tip nails with the same method. Just use white nail polish instead of gold. If you want more opaque color, you can always go back and do the second coat. So this is it. Super easy to get gold French nail tips at home without foil. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.